Okay, so rode this board in the rain today and through some puddles and stuff. So just going to protect it from any rust. It's just got like dried on dirt, rainwater. So I'm gonna use this red and tacky grease from local auto parts store. Red grease. Gonna make it waterproof. Just very lightly coat the bearings, both front and back, and the metal parts is rub on, and the trucks and the kingpin and bushing, bushing, what do you call that, like cap nut, bushing washer, yeah. So, and some of these bolts and screws, just grease it up a little bit and wipe it clean. Yep, just to prevent rust. Alright, let's go. Front and back. Also the bearings. Bearings. Gonna coat it in grease. Very light. Let's go.